Welcome to Herman Hits the Road. I'm Ads, and you may recall a good old friend of mine, Chaz, who's helped us out with a few repairs in Herman, including the brakes, the suspension, and that big old area of rot we've had on the floor just recently. Well, a few people have asked us, who is Chaz? What's his background? What does he do? And in this video, we're going to take a look at the unusual background of Chaz. Roll the titles. Well, I'm supposed to meet him here, but I haven't, no idea where he is. He's probably late or something, but hopefully he'll turn up soon. Maybe he's hiding, I don't know. Well, I think he's here, but he's actually hidden. I think he's under here somewhere. Oh, this dust sheet's filthy. So there he is. Chazbot version 2. Version 1 kind of went a bit wrong. I had to basically dismantle him and start over again. We've got, I can control him with this controller, but, needs new batteries, hold on. Good job that I have someone charge. See, this is one of his batteries. Any ideas where I need to plug this into? So I'm going to do this off camera and be with you shortly. Right, so he's all charged up, and I'm going to show you what he can do with this controller here. So let's go through some of his modes. We have plumber, we have electrician, and we have, no, skip that one. But I like leaving him on mechanic. Let's have a bit of fun with him first of all. So if I do this, and I can do this, I can do this as well. So let's get him out of there. Let's manoeuvre him out of where he's stationary. Perfect, stop him there. So Chazbot version 2 is very good for cleaning up. Problem solving. Singing even. Chaz, play music. Next track. Next track. Stop. But I prefer to use him for his mechanical abilities. Chazbot version 2 also has an AI mode. There's a few problems with this though, a few bugs I need to sort out. It just seems to tell jokes all the time. So let's show you what I mean.
Oh, I think I'll Thursday make a cup of tea. I've got to get rid of my vacuum cleaner ads.
What? Why?
It's just gathering dust.
Right. Okay.
What do you call one-eyed dinosaur?
No idea.
Do you think he saw us? Why did the dinosaur cross the road?
Why did a dinosaur cross the road?
Didn't have chickens in them days. Why did the man with one hand cross the road?
No idea.
Get a second-hand shop. Went home in the Land Rover the other night. Every corner went round, I went, God, my throat was killing me. I broke my leg in 3 places, not going back to them places again. Went to the doctor's the other day, I said to him, doctor, it really hurts when I do that. Ow, 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 ow. He said, I know what's wrong with you. I said, what? He said, you broke your finger.
Oh dear, what's he charging now? I just want to make a cup of tea. That's it.
Ads? Ads? What's this cable? Ads?
So thank you very much for watching this video. Hopefully you found it fun. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and maybe consider subscribing. But on a serious note, Chaz, what is your background?
If anyone is interested, I was trained as a hydroelectrical mechanical engineer. What a mouthful. It was a 9-year apprenticeship, and I did that for 50 odd years, and now I just do bits and pieces for friends and family, and that's about it really.
Right,
Try and
okay.
have an easy life.
Yeah.
As you know.
So thank you again for watching. If you're interested in behind the scenes of how this was all filmed, that'll probably be in a future video. So are you interested in seeing that? Let us know in the comments section below. Until next time, say goodbye, Chaz.
Goodbye, Chaz.
Bye-bye, everybody.
Bye.
Just try and blend in.
Blend in! Blend in! What's that? Is that a plunger?
Yeah.
Brilliant. Brilliant. If it's going to be obvious, make it obvious. Yeah, exactly.
And with this controller, watch this. Have a bit of fun with Chaz. Spot 2 here. If I press this, he does this. And again. And then what about this one? You're not supposed to be laughing.
You made me laugh. You made me laugh. I've got to smack yourself in the head again now. God, my throat was killing me.
So we don't have that mode switched on very often.
Ow. He said, I know what's wrong with you. I said, what? He said, you broke your finger.
Yeah. I think everyone's heard that one, haven't they, folks? Right, we'll end that there.
Do you think that's enough?
Yes! Change position just a moment. Like head to the side, yeah.